we're going to build this irrigation wand. Materials needed are 1 length of 15mm pipe, tap hose connector, a blanking plug with insert, costing less than a tenner. Right, I'm going to use this back fence as a gauge, and I'm going to mark off the divisions I want the spray jets to work at. So I'm going to do 5, 10, sorry I'm working in imperial, so 15, 20, 25, 30. I've actually got what's called a tube cutter, which is this, so it just cuts it square like that. Or if you don't have one of those, just use a hacksaw. Okay, I'm using a 3mm drill, and I'm going to drill every 5 inches. Is I give myself a reference mark off the stop end, so I just mark it to where I think the shoulder should be. It's actually way over. Very, very important. You have to put the metal insert in. The insert can come in either metal or plastic, it doesn't really matter. So you take the fitting and you give it a good hard push, and do you see how it's actually fully engaged? I'll just roughly gauge it, you know, it doesn't really matter. Just to give yourself a mark, just to give yourself some datum. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the insert again, you can see that, and I'm going to shove that in, and that goes up to the mark, if you can see that. Just wind it up, job done. You just need to tighten it up hard enough. So and there you have your wand. That goes into the hose pipe connector, the female connector. Our next port of call is we'll go to the allotment and actually test them. Actually, I'll test them in the back garden first.